Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Now this video is sponsored by Luvmehair, and they sent me this it was in a side part auntie vibes, grown-up vibes, office vibes type of wig, and I transformed it into this. Okay, but before we jump into the installation or the transformation of this wig, let me just show you guys what they sent to me inside the package. So the wig did come inside the Luvmehair box like always, and inside they sent me some stocking cap, bonnet, obviously the wig. They sent me the bag that, you know, you put the wig in when you're done wearing it, and they sent me this little pouch with some elastic band to kind of help mold your wig down when you're doing it, or like if you're going to your bed, and some baby hair combs. I didn't really use anything inside the box because I did have so I didn't really use anything inside the box because I did have like previous tools and products that I was already using, so I didn't need to use anything that's inside the box. But if you're supposed to order this wig, you will definitely get everything that's inside this box and probably more. That's it for what came inside the box. Now for this wig, I think this wig is, if I'm not mistaken, I think it's like either 8 inches or 10 inches. I don't remember. And again, it did not come like this. It come in a side part, and it had like some wave. It was giving very much auntie, and I didn't want to stick to that style, so I ended up switching it to this style. And I must say, based on how the wig came, this is cute. It's cute, like, you know, it's something. It's something. It's not like the best, but it is something. So if you guys love to see how I end up getting this look, then definitely keep on watching.
Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell him this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the store and now it's like we planned it. Junior Watanabe on my Junior Watanabe on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior Watanabe on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior Watanabe on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took off, bro. We took off, bro. We took off, bro. We took off, bro. Born in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got standards, excuse my manners, I got standards, I got status, you want static, see more comments, and I see commas, they going down me, we going down to shorty off a Finsta. Just threw on a hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now, I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now, I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AUNTY, right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn, baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, ta, 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 ta. Drive me, I deserve it. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Na, 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 na. When you walk out, na, 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 na. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave.
Okay guys, so I'm not gonna lie, okay? I'm not going to lie. This wig, I don't know. Okay, first of all, okay, you know what? Guys, I'm trying my best to make it work, but it's just like, man, I don't know, it just not really work with me. But it's okay.
I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this through.
Okay guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Honestly guys, I was just trying my luck with this wig. It's not a typical wig that I would actually work with, but I wanted to just work with it honestly because I did choose this wig. Well, I didn't choose this wig. They gave me the option of agreeing to this wig or not, and I decided that okay, let me just try it to see like what I could do with it. Like, it's not so bad, to be honest. It's just the fact that it was cut in a way where it's supposed to be styled differently, because it did come in a side part, but I ended up changing it because I was just like, when I when I placed it on my head, it was giving me auntie, okay? And I didn't, I'm sorry, I couldn't do the auntie vibes. So I ended up just switching it to a middle part and then straightening it. But the back part is chopped in a way where it's supposed to be styled differently. And hence why it's looking like this, like it looks choppy. But you know what? At the end of the day, it is okay. I could have cut it a little bit shorter. But I didn't have my good scissors. I don't know where it is right now. So I couldn't even cut the hair properly. But guys, I swear to you, if you get this wig and you end up doing a middle part, like just a straight bob, and you cut it properly, like where it's like leveled, you'll be fine, okay? You'll be fine. But anyways, this is the end of this look. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. This was a fun hair to do because again, you saw where the wig is coming from, okay? Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I will definitely see you guys in my next one.